Welcome to Simple Learning. In the ocean, there are fish that can change their gender, not just once, but sometimes multiple times in their lifetime. Imagine being born male, then becoming female, and in some cases, switching again depending on survival needs. This is not science fiction. This is real marine biology. And today, you're going to understand exactly how and why it happens. In most animals, sex is genetically fixed at birth, but in several marine fish species, sex is not permanent. Instead, it is a flexible biological trait controlled by the environment, social structure, and hormones. This phenomenon is called sequential hermaphroditism, and in some cases, it can occur more than once in a lifetime. Sequential hermaphroditism is a reproductive strategy where an organism changes sex after reaching maturity. It occurs in three main forms: protandry, male to female; protogeny, female to male bidirectional sex change; switching both ways, rare but real. This is not a genetic mutation. It is a hormonally regulated physiological transformation. The key point: the organism retains the ability to reorganize its reproductive system based on ecological conditions. A well-studied example is the clownfish. Clownfish live in strict social hierarchies inside sea anemones. Their group structure is size-based. The largest individual becomes the dominant female. The second largest becomes the reproductive male. Smaller individuals remain non-reproductive males. If the dominant female dies, the breeding male undergoes a sex reversal and becomes female. This process involves gonadal restructuring, testicular tissue to ovarian tissue, suppression of androgens, increase in estrogen like estradiol. Importantly, in clownfish, this change is typically one-directional and irreversible. In contrast, some species within the wrasses family exhibit far more dynamic sexual plasticity. Wrasses are protogynous hermaphrodites, meaning individuals typically begin life as females and may transition to males. However, in certain wrasses species, researchers have observed bidirectional sex change, where a reversal back to female-like function can occur under specific social conditions. The mechanism is governed by a social dominance hierarchy, size-based competition, local sex ratio imbalances. When a dominant male disappears, the largest female initiates sex reversal. Ovarian tissue degenerates, testicular tissue develops, androgen levels rise sharply. But if social dominance is later reversed in rare cases, endocrine feedback can suppress male function again. This demonstrates that sex in these species is not fixed, but context-dependent reproductive physiology. Sex change in fish is controlled by the brain-pituitary-gonadal axis. The process begins in the brain, where social cues are processed. This alters the secretion of master hormones, such as gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, luteinizing hormone, LH, follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. These hormones regulate the gonads directly. In protogynous species, aromatase activity decreases. Estrogen levels drop, androgen production increases. This causes ovarian tissue to regress and testicular tissue to develop. Remarkably, many fish possess bipotential gonadal tissue, meaning reproductive cells can differentiate into either sex depending on hormonal signals. This gives them exceptional reproductive plasticity. Why evolve such a complex system? The answer lies in reproductive optimization theory, particularly the size advantage model. In many reef environments, larger individuals gain more reproductive success as one sex, while smaller individuals are more successful as the opposite sex. So instead of being fixed, switching sex increases lifetime reproductive output. This ensures efficient use of mating opportunities stable population dynamics, incredible flexibility in changing environments. In these fish, sex is not a fixed identity. It is a dynamic biological state shaped by evolution, environment, and survival pressure. Nature, in its deepest complexity, does not follow rigid rules. It adapts. If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Simple Learning for more amazing science explained in the simplest way. See you in the next one.